How to use Roblox trading feature. Trade items on Roblox is a feature which you can use inside the Players tab profile to exchange the limited edition items on Roblox. So first of all, go ahead and launch the Roblox application and also verify the trading requirements. Make sure that you both have the premium membership of Roblox, and then tap on these three horizontal lines on the top left corner of your screen, then go to the settings panel. From here, head to the privacy option. Now you will find who can trade with me option. If your account is eligible, you simply have to tap on that option and set it to everyone or friends. Then you can only trade limited or limited U items. Standard store items and game passes or normal clothes cannot be traded. Now to offer a trade, you simply have to head backwards to your home page and find yourself that exact friend by tapping on this friend tab. From here, you have to access their profile. You will find the three-dotted menu icon. Go ahead and tap on this. From here, trade items option will be available. Go ahead and tap on this and open the window and select the items you want to give from your inventory and the items you want to receive from guests. You can also include the Robux along with the items during the trade. And now you simply have to click the submit offer and confirm the trade. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.